Well, remember that the ECB is mainly concerned about inflation in financial markets, and observers, including the ECB members, are becoming dovish about the real economy, about growth. Trade tensions have nothing to do with monetary policy. Germany, being the main export country in Europe, being affected more, doesn't have much to do with it. Brexit has nothing to do with monetary policy. If you look at the list, for example, that the OECD has given for revising their growth forecast down, it's not really about financial markets. They did mention very briefly the word financial markets, but they didn't say why, and it was right at the tail end. I don't think it's there. So the way I see it is that the ECB, they must be getting increasingly concerned about what the implication of the slowdown would be for financial markets. But quite honestly, we don't know enough now to take any action. The problem is that when you take action, the signaling effect of what you think and what's going to come in the future is as important, and sometimes even more important, you know, this forward guidance is sometimes called, than what you're doing now. And this is really not the time to signal what they might be doing forward through action.
So just to be clear, in terms of what we hear today, in your opinion, it is the right decision for the ECB to not only hold off on rates, but also to hold back on any strong signals about what the next move might be? I
think so. I think that's good. They should do, and this is also what they're expecting to do, because we know Mario Draghi has been there a long time. He has experience about how not to confuse markets, if you like, when the other side isn't doing so well, the other side being the real economy. This is really a job for the fiscal authorities of countries, especially Germany, and the European Commission, which oversees sort of fiscal policy and generally how the Eurozone economy is doing. There's really nothing the central bank can do to influence that side of the economy. So why go and get mixed up with what might be happening in financial markets? Just leave them like they are.
So keep rates on hold, you would recommend. Yeah. Don't make any major signals, specifically the financial markets. Yes. What actions do you think the ECB can take, though, to try and help some of the economies across Europe that are facing some challenges, like Italy?
Well, the only thing the ECB can do at this stage, a stage like this, is to make sure that cheaper loans are available in the economies that need to make the investments, in the companies that need to make the investments. I mean, Italy is obviously a prime example of that. The usual suspects like Greece, for example, needs that kind of money. But interest rates are already so low that it's difficult to see how they would be doing that for those countries in particular, and not affect the whole of the ECB. But if you ask me, am I 100% sure that they will do nothing, or is there some small uncertainty? I would say that that's where it is. Make sure that the cost of finance for companies in those countries, especially countries of the South, is not high, and they can invest to bring up growth to more reasonable levels.
Hi, I'm Joanna Bersetchi, and thank you for watching. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more from CNBC International. Thank you for watching.